So it is question number first of exercise 24C. Find the angle between pair of lines r vector equal 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap plus lambda 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap and r vector equal 7i cap minus 6k cap plus mu I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. We know that if there are two lines in the vector form a1 vector plus lambda b1 and a2 vector plus mu b2, then the angle between these two lines is given by, or the acute angle between these two lines is given by b1 vector dot b2 vector upon mod b1 vector, magnitude of b1, magnitude of b2, mod close. Then b1 vector is 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap a1 plus lambda b1, and b2 vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. This line represents that it is passes through 2, minus 5, 1, and its direction ratio are proportional to 3, 2, 6. Angle between them. Then it is equal cos theta b1 vector dot b2 vector, means the value of b1 vector is dot b2 upon magnitude of b1 vector, which is 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square, and magnitude of b2 vector, which is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, and mod close. Dot product is given by I dot I equal 1, j dot j equal 1, and k dot k equal 1. Except it I dot j is 0, I dot k is 0. Similarly, j dot I, j dot k is 0, k dot I, k dot j is 0. Means we get 3 into 1, 2 into 2, 6 into 2 upon square root 36 plus 4, 40, it is 49 into square root 8, 9. Then we get 3 plus 4 plus 12 upon 7 into 3. It is 19 by 21. Then theta equal cos inverse 19 by 21. Now again another question is find the angle between the pair of lines. Firstly, first line is we have x minus 4 upon 3, y plus 1 upon 4, and z minus 6 upon 5. It is first. And second line is x minus 5 upon 1, and we write this equation is in the form y minus y1 upon b, means y minus y1 upon b. We have no coefficient of y, means we take 2 common and get y plus 5 by 2 and it is -1 to cancel out, equal z minus 3 upon -1. Let me check, it is z minus 3 upon -1, any other. Z minus 3 upon 1, it is 1. Second equation, the angle between two lines in Cartesian form is given by a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon square root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Put the value where a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are the direction ratio of first line and second line. Then we put 3 into 1 plus 4 into -1, 5 into 1 upon square root square 3 square gives 9, b1 square means 4 square gives 16, c1 square which is 25, a2 square value of a2 is 1 means 1, b2 square value of b2 is -1, on squaring it we get 1, c2 square the value of c2 is 1 is 1. Then 8 minus 4, that is 4 upon square root 50, 69, 25, 25, 50 and root 3. We get cos theta equal 4 upon 5 root 6. Then theta equal cos inverse 4 by 5 root 6, and this answer.